everyone, it's Prabjeet Trehan. Welcome to my channel. She's my friend Manpreet.
Hi.
Okay, so today it's a special day. It's a celebration day of Mehndi and Jago. So she came here to get ready with by me. So let's begin. Starting with skin prep, as it's all about simple and glowing makeup look today. Gone with Anastasia Hydrating Face Oil as she has very dry skin, acne and pigmented. So really need to have moisture in her skin. So I applied this Anastasia oil and gently massaging all over her face. I prefer start the makeup look by doing eye makeup first. Now I'll make her eyelid ready for the color. So I applied Tarte concealer. Next, picking light pink color from my Morphe James Charles eyeshadow palette, and with the fluffy brush, blending this color on the crease line for the transition. Next, I gone with darker pink tone and with the help of flat brush, applied this color at the outer corner to give depth to her eyes and keeping this only at the outer corner, and then we'll blend the harsh line with a small blending brush. Next, I'm applying PAC 2-way gel on the center of the eyelid with my finger. We'll wait for 15-20 seconds. Then I'm gonna be applying LIT glitter in the shade of fully nude with my blending brush just to enhance her eyes, and it comes out so well. She was very curious and happy. Then I had applied Cold Shimmer from Huda Beauty palette on her eyebrow bones and blend out all the harsh lines so well for the smooth transitions. I prefer applying shimmers with my fingers as this way it comes out more pigmented. Then I had applied Cold Shimmer from Huda Beauty palette on her eyebrow bones and blend out all the harsh lines so well for the smooth transitions. Now I'm coming to her face. I'll first clean her face with Neutrogena face wipes. Next, I'm gone with my favorite moisturizer cum primer, which is Embryolysses. This is one of the best product available in the market. I'm applying this all over the face area and the neck area too. Considering her past makeup experiences, she was very worried as to her chin area gets really dry after the makeup and dark as well sometimes. So I applied milk hydrating spray to give more hydration to her face and avoid getting her face to be dry. And gradually you will see how her skin reacts and shows at end. Next I'm going with Makeup Studio Concealer shade number 5, which is 3 shade darker to her skin tone. This will help to cut the pigmentation from her face. I don't want much product to be applied, so taking very less quantity and applying on top of the discoloration areas only. So there's one tip for you all. So if you ever come across a makeup, the person has very dry skin, so please don't use much of product and try to use only creamy products. Next, I decide to apply NARS Sheen Foundation. Her shade is Barcelona. And I also mixed 1 drop of illuminator and magic serum, which will definitely make her skin glow till hours and hours. Applied foundation all over her face and neck area as well, and blended with damp beauty blender. For the highlighting, I had applied tart tan and shade on the T-zone area and at the under eyes. Next, I'm setting up the makeup with Laura Mercier setting powder, translucent, and for blusher, mixing two shades together from my Eye Magic Touch palette. Now to complete her eye makeup, I've applied cream color kajal pencil on her lower lash line. Eyelashes time. Now first I will apply glue on her lash line as well as on the eyelashes. We'll wait for 5-8 seconds to let that glue dry at least 75% and then I'll stick these lashes. Final touch, lipstick time. So we decided to go with the same pink tone, which is, more closer to her eyeshadow color. So we gone with Too Faced lipstick. The shade is Self Out. This is so beautiful shade, and actually this comes out so well. She was looking so stunning. Wow, just look at her. So that's a fine look. I hope you all like this tutorial. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe me to see more such tutorials. And yes, don't hesitate to message me for any doubts related to the makeup. Ta-da!